First, thoroughly clean the area of loose dirt and carbon. A magic eraser is used to prepare the surface. With a microfiber cloth and compound, add medium pressure and work the surfaces that need refinement. Reapplications of compound will help to keep the same level of cut throughout. After an even finish is achieved, then a final refinement is done with polish by the same brand as the compounding stage. A fresh microfiber is used to avoid cross-contamination. This side has already been refined with compound.
So there we go guys, that's that finish done on that side now. And you've done this with compound and polish from Meguiar's, so it just shows you that sometimes it's not all about the product but more about the process and how you want to deal with it. Obviously this is just exhaust. You don't need the polishes that you get that say they're metal specific, because I mean this might be clear coated, but you can achieve anything with an abrasive or a fine abrasive to achieve a result like this. So it's, you know, it's really good that we can get a mirror finish using, you know, try and use the same brand. That's what I say. If you use the same brand, then you're not really going to go wrong, because you're going to go from one step to the next step to the next step, and it's just so much more worth it than having to do the guesswork. So make sure that you get a pairing, or that you know how strong the cut is from your compound and polishes, and how it refines the finish, because you'll get good results like this. Sometimes if you just keep going with a compound, you're not really going to get anywhere. You'll get a good result, but you might not get the finish at the end like that. So yeah, I'm just going to go and protect it now, and again that will enhance the look, protect the tips from some of the UV damage that it might receive. I mean obviously it's down low, so it won't get a lot of UV, but it will still protect it from some of the dirt, and the surface might enhance some of the look again, aesthetically pleasing. So we're going to go on and do that step now.
Another fresh microfiber is used. And that's it.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found this helpful. If you're not currently subscribed, then please subscribe to this channel. It really means a lot to me. And if you could smash that thumbs up button on the way down there, then that would be much appreciated. If you haven't seen any of my social media stuff, then I'm on Instagram, I'm on YouTube, and I'm obviously on Facebook, and all that's in the description below. So at the moment my schedule is to try and upload at least one video a week. It's not official schedule, but I try my best. I'll try and, you know, post more regularly, but it just depends on the content and, you know, what might be valuable to you as a viewer. So just, you know, give us a comment on what you might want to see down below. Is it just you want to see a satisfying video of a car clean, or do you want to see some inner workings and some actual detailing stuff? Let us know down in the comments below. And anyway guys, I've rambled on for long enough. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe, see you soon, peace out.